Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.19. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 25.57% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -36.05% to -25.57%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 14.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 2.55% to 52.13% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $192.16 and $285.07. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Tuesday trading session. The Amazon stock price decreased by 0.165% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, falling from $187.70 to $187.39. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.36%, reaching a low of $183.68 and a high of $188.02. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, yet it remains up by 2.89% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 41 million shares were exchanged for approximately $7.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 22.73%, or $55.13, below the 52-week high, and 85.64%, or $1,117.81, below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon, or AMZN, is currently in the spotlight as it prepares to release its quarterly earnings after the market closes on the 1st of May, a highly anticipated event amid ongoing political tensions and shifting trade policies. Recently, President Trump's administration has altered its approach to tariffs, offering relief for vehicles manufactured in the United States. While this change is not directly related to Amazon, it reflects a broader environment of fluctuating trade policies that may influence consumer sentiment and spending, potentially affecting Amazon's performance. Meanwhile, a controversy has emerged regarding Amazon's communication about tariffs. The White House criticized Amazon for allegedly planning to announce price increases related to tariffs, describing it as a hostile act. In response, Amazon quickly retracted this strategy. In the short term, such tensions can result in volatility in Amazon's stock price, creating uncertainty among investors. On a more positive note, the company's stock has experienced an 8% rise over the past month, bolstered by the potential of its expanding investments in artificial intelligence and cloud computing, particularly through its association with Anthropic. With a market capitalization of $2 trillion, Amazon is the 4th most valuable company globally, and its advancements in artificial intelligence may drive significant long-term growth. Additionally, Jeff Bezos' net worth has climbed above $200 billion, mainly due to his stake in Amazon. indicating rising investor confidence in the company's future. As the earnings report approaches, analysts have noted an increase in options trading, suggesting that investors are preparing for potential volatility as the market reacts to the forthcoming results. Overall, while short-term challenges persist, Amazon's long-term outlook remains promising, especially as it continues to lead in advancements in artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned AMZN an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, Telsey Advisory also rated AMZN as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Bank of America Securities provided AMZN with a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James rated AMZN as outperform but issued a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMZN a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 21st of April 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 12%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The Amazon stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $187.95. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $181.67. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a decline below the short-term average will trigger an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall signal. Notably, volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 49 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 35 days ago. To discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon has established support from accumulated volume at $178.41. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.34 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.36%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.05%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is quite typical, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May 2025. Analysts have reached a consensus estimate of $1.35. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $191.10. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $178.41. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th day of March 2025, Nui Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd day of March 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd day of March 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th day of March 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 56,339 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.484. Overall, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been set. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adopted a negative stance on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we anticipate Amazon will open lower by $1.03, beginning at $186.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.